Hello, if you want to connect your Samsung Galaxy A25 5G to your car, what you can do is find Android Auto in the settings. So let's go to the settings, then go to connected devices, and over here we can scroll down to find Android Auto. Now over here we will find the list of different settings that we can do before we even start connecting. But once you are ready, you can press connect a car button. Now you have the instructions to plug your phone into the car's Android Auto compatible USB port. If you have a newer car, let's say from 2021 or newer, then you probably have the option to connect wirelessly, so you can tap on this option. And now you also have another instructions where you can press and hold the voice command button to begin setup. And if needed, you can also connect using Bluetooth, so you can tap over here and you can press pair a car in order to quickly go to Bluetooth and pair your car with your device, or the other way around. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!